Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to 30 CAGR YouTube channel. My name is Raj. Friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about this latest breaking news that all social medias, are filled with, right? From yesterday morning, there are so many fake news spreading across all the social media. So and this is very important for F&O traders. This can completely eliminate all the F&O traders, retailers from Indian stock market. So in this video we will discuss what actually is this news. Is this true or is it a fake news? Or if it gets implemented, what we should do, all these sorts of things we will check. But before that, in case if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and hit on bell icon. Or if you need any algo tools, please visit bluechipalgos.com. All innovative algo tools or indicators, trading view indicators, everything that you need for your trading we are providing. Okay, so just visit this website. All right, so accredited investors, remember this term. This is the term that people have been discussing from yesterday. Okay, so first we will take a step back and see what has happened. I think in Delhi there was like a conference happened, and this guy called Krishnan, who is NSA's business development officer, so he said that SEBI is considering the second round of measures to protect retailers from F&O segment. Okay, already we know that there is like first round of measures that are going to get implemented from November 20th, right? Where so many things like weekly options are going away except for Nifty and Sensex, and lot sizes are increasing, full margin for buying and extra margin for selling on expiry days. So a lot of I think 6 rules are coming into effect. Now SEBI might consider, remember, this is not finalized, SEBI might consider the second round of measures as well. Okay, but the worrisome point here is what he said was there is something called alternate investment. Okay, so if you see something called AIF, okay, alternate investment fund. What this alternate investment fund is, it is actually not related to stock market. It is something related to hedge funds or venture capitals or equity, private equity. So these kinds of funds actually are called alternate investment funds. These are outside of stock market, but still SEBI has some hold on this. Okay, so as per SEBI regulations, who can participate in this? Only accredited investors. Okay, which means high net worth individuals, right? So we have to define what exactly is accredited investors, right? So there is like an eligibility criteria. If you see any individual or a family's trust, HUF, so Hindu, I think Hindu United Family. So all these people, if they are accredited investors, they can participate. But what is the criteria? You see that there are like so many criteria. Annual income should be more than 2 crore, or net worth more than 7.5 crore, and 50% of it should be financial assets, or 1 crore plus annual income and net worth 5 crore, and again 50% of net financial assets. So any of these things, if a person is able to show, then he belongs to accredited investors and he is able to participate in this AIF, alternate investment fund. Now, Krishnan said that SEBI might have something in similar lines for F&O. Okay, these accredited investors concept probably should be or would be applicable to F&O segment as well. So this is where entire thing blew up, because people are like, accredited investors need a lot of obviously crores of rupees, right? So he also mentioned that two things that what SEBI is trying to do is one is getting some kind of eligibility, okay, in terms of this net worth, or in terms of having some certification from the user, some kind of eligibility. And the second one is disproportionation. Okay, so which means trying to limit how much a person can trade, right? By implementing these 2 points, they are trying to streamline F&O segment. That's what SEBI is trying to do as per him. And so how they are trying to do, they are trying to make sure that accredited investors only have access to F&O segment. Now let us talk about some facts here. The first thing is, as you know, most of us know, initially F&Os were introduced as hedging instruments, right? It's not just a gamble or you just go and trade in F&O. It's a good hedging instrument. If you have a long position in spot, then you can have a counter position in futures or options, right? So if F&O is completely removed, okay, to retailers, it is like totally an unfair advantage that SEBI probably would cause to this retailers, right? So they wouldn't be doing that. They are well aware that, you know, this is also being used as a hedging instrument. So any step that SEBI takes in that direction will probably backfire to them. So what they would probably do is, even though we have this accredited investors concept coming to F&O, okay, first of all, it's not going to come anytime soon. Okay, they are still considering it, so please don't believe in fake news and all. That's the first point. And second point is, even if, you know, they bring something like this, the definition of accredited investors would change. Okay, whatever you see here, this is for venture capital and other things. Okay, this is not for F&O. So this thing will change, and probably they would say that annual income should be not 2 crore but maybe 20 lakhs or 30 lakhs, or I don't know, some X figure, but surely it would be lesser than this. And they change the definition. Okay, for F&O it would be separate, and for AIF, alternate investment fund, it would be separate. So it's not that, you know, the same level of criteria would be applicable to F&O also. Okay, so there is a chance that all these things might not even materialize also. There are so many things in the past that SEBI has introduced and then withdrawn also, right? So first thing is, it will take so much time. Even if this news was true, and even if it was true, it will not be, you know, such a huge or big amount. It will be so small amount. Okay, and the third is, even if, you know, option segment is or has these kinds of rules. Remember, equity market also has so much potential, and there are some beautiful strategies and concepts that we can apply in equity segment as well. So it's not really like end of, you know, the journey for traders or investors, especially for traders. So we do have a lot of opportunities in the equity segment also. Okay, and that said, I really believe that this is not going to happen in the way people are discussing over social media. So please stop believing all those rumors. What I suggest you is focus on your current strategies, on your current discipline, current risk management, and see, you know, first of all, to come into the profits, or if you already have profits, how to improve the profits. So figure out first those things and concentrate on your current trading. If these things come, then later we can, you know, discuss and see how to overcome the obstacles. Okay, so that's all I want to say in this video. And as I said, in case if you have any requirement about algo tools or trading view indicators, we are always there. bluechipalgos.com, you can visit. I will also leave a number, WhatsApp number, in the description. Otherwise, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit on bell icon. And thank you so much for watching the video.